Mmm, coconut flavor raw chicken. You like that coconut raw chicken? You love that coconut. Who doesn't like nuts? No homo. Anyway, one tropical food that I have always wanted to try is sprouted coconut. Let's try this one. There's also a couple there. I'm gonna open them up and I want some sprouted coconut. It looks delicious. So let's check these nuts. You want some more coconut? Raw chicken? Look at that. Perfectly sprouted coconut. Never had this one before. This might be the ultimate coconut form. I love coconuts. Coconut water, amazing. Coconut meat, amazing. I used to love Bounty, the chocolate bar, as a kid. Anyway, never had sprouted coconut. Smells good. Coconutty, but also kinda sweet. The texture looks interesting, kinda like a sponge. The mouthfeel is also kinda like a sponge. Oh, that's good. That's really good. The raw chicken also knows it. Wow. You can see you still got a lot of that coconut meat there. I guess in the end it all turns into this sponge to feed its growth into one of these trees. Let's see if I can get some more. I think I like this form of coconut the best. Coconut milk is also good. It's the best plant milk, in my opinion. I will get a spoon. See you guys later. There we go. Look at this. Sprouted goodness. Yeah, this is good. This is nature's COCO ice cream. It's nice and sweet, not flaky at all, and still has nice coconut flavor, kind of juicy as well. Oh, that's good. That's real good. Even if you don't like coconuts that much, you might find this somewhat pleasant compared to the normal kind of coconut flesh. I would say the sprouted one is way better. Isn't nature pretty good? Just making all of these awesome foods up and then mixing them with the most terrible ones. Like there's a lot of noni fruits here at the property. You mix the best stuff with the worst stuff. And then you mix some stuff there as well that can kill you. You have to be big brain enough to know which one is which. Oh, we got a nice one now. No. I would say sprouted coconut. It's almost 10 out of 10. It's a nice snack. The texture is almost like an apple. Like very soft, little crunchy, kinda watery. Kinda like the water apple. Like watery apple. That's crazy. Crazy good, I mean. Good shit, nature. Keep it up. Kind of filling as well. Yeah, I would say that's 10 out of 10. I see no problemos with that. And it's still got all this meat left. Yeah. Thanks, coconuts. You're gonna love these nuts.